Thank you for downloading the 2018 NIC Fall Conference mobile app. This tutorial will show you how to find the key features in the app. Home page is your main dashboard for the app's key functions. The education program. Browse by day or focus area to find daily session details, speaker info, and download presentations. My Agenda. Via the Educational Program section, access My Agenda to keep track of your selected sessions and meetings by day. Attendees. Filter attendees by professional category. Attendee lists. Download and export a list of attendees who have chosen to make their information available. Messaging. Send one-on-one messages to fellow attendees. Social wall. Engage with attendees on the social wall. NIC Talks. Experience it your way, in person in the app or on your conference TV channel. My Profile. Forgot where to find something? Access a tutorial PDF in My Profile within the menu. We hope the app helps you successfully navigate your way through #NIC Fall 18.